here are the reasons why budgeting still matters. Number one, budgeting gives you clarity. Diba? It doesn't really restrict you, but it gives clarity. Paano? Diba, when you look at budgeting, diba, importante yung bird's eye view kung saan napupunta yung money mo. Where does it go? Because when you know where it goes, you get to make better decisions. Gusto mo ba talaga ilagay tong 100 pesos mo dito sa expense na to? Or gusto mo, ay, baka mali siya for now, ilipat ko siya where it's more important for me. Diba? So parang ganon. Kasi alam nyo guys, may flight ako in a bit. Pero, syempre, love ko kayo, unahin natin to. Okay? So that's why it's important, diba? When you budget, it's about clarity. It's about knowing where your money goes. It's not something for you to be restricted, but it gives you better decision-making skills. Diba? Number two, it turns guilt to control. Alam nyo, diba, lagi ko sinasabi, guys, budgeted ba yan? When it comes to that question, budgeted ba yan? I am not for somebody who says na, or I'm not pro, hindi, wag kang kumain sa restaurant. Ay, hindi, wag mong bibilin yung gamit na yan. Ay, hindi, wag kang pupunta doon sa trip na yon. Wag kang bumili ng mga Starbucks mo, wag kang bibili ng whatever coffee mo. No, I'm all for that. Basta, the question is always, budgeted ba yan?